Hello and welcome to a new tutorial, and what we're going to be talking about is HTML and CSS. Firstly, what is HTML? HTML is basically a hypertext markup language which does the creating of the web page. Okay, what is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheet. It deals with styling the sheet, making the web page look beautiful. So HTML is just like the bone and CSS is the flesh. So let's start with HTML. HTML are divided into tags, and there are two different types of tags. One called the open tag and the other one called the close tag. Any tag you open you must close the tag. Okay, let's see the examples of tags, although there are some tags that don't need to be closed. So let's see the other tags. So these are the basic tags. One, HTML, the root element, which is this is the symbol, head, the document head, title, the page title, body, the page's content, heading, a section heading, paragraph, a tag used to add a paragraph text, div, a tag used to divide a page into bits. Just like when you have different colors on your web page, you want this side to be green, you want this side to be red, and you want this side to be blue, and all of that. So next we have the image img tag, which is an image tag used to add images. So what we can do, we'll talk about that in the next video. So there's input tag, which is used to get inputs from a user. There's a button tag, a tag used to create clickable buttons. You know what buttons are, right? A tag used for adding links. Iframe, this is usually used for embedding YouTube and Facebook videos. I don't know of any other website who supports it. So where you have from a form tag. Oh shit, I forgot to write meaning. Okay, a form tag is basically a tag used for creating forms like a login form, registration form, and all of that. Name Marquee is actually a very old thing. I just decided to add it into this business. A Marquee is basically a tag used for adding, just to make an object move. Yeah, you can see that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we're going to be talking about IDEs and text editors where we can run our HTML code. Then we'll also code a bit there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.